So you go to Winscribe, you click on this button to activate London IP address, but I already have it activated. So you minimize, you go to ThunderCore App, it's loading. Still loading. Yep. You go for your password. Pretend as if you didn't see that. So currently I have 209, and then that's the dollar value currently. So you go to Quest. Go to Quest. You go click this button. Allow it to load. It's loading, not yet loaded. Okay, now it's just loading. It's loaded. Opening Twitter. So you just tweet and reply. Tweet your reply. TT is a great project. Hashtag ThunderCore App. So your tweet is done. All you need to do is just go back and you claim. That's all. There you go. You've been given. That's all. Close it so it fades off till you get another one. If you go to wallet, you see from 209 it has increased to 211. That's all.